Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Rachel here. Today I'm just going to show you my bathroom tour. I've been asked about this a lot, not on YouTube, but by other family members like my mother-in-law, my cousin. So I want to show you guys what this looks like because I'm so excited for you guys to see. It's not even funny. I'm trying to be a little quiet because Novelle's in the bedroom sleeping, and I have this room like not fully shut because we have like new door hangers hanging on like every single bedroom. If you can see all the white lines, they're just back of the door hangers. And we also put Novelle's butterfly wings from her first birthday outfit up on the wall. We have a crown that my mother-in-law made for her also that was like a unicorn, but I don't really want to glue it on the door because I kind of put it in a box for her. I'll explain that later what I did. But I put it in a box for her for now, for later on when she's older she can open it up. But yeah, she's kind of crying in there. But yeah, if you want to see this video, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight to it, so keep on watching. Okay, so to start out, we got this sign from the Dollar Tree. It's just a little while away from our house, but it just says powder room, and I thought it was cute because it's gonna be springtime soon and the floral scents and such, and I really liked it. And I wasn't even looking for it. The funny thing was it found me, which was awesome. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in. And we went over to Walmart today and we picked out a few things, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give you just a full look of the whole entire room. As soon as you walk in, we're gonna start over here, and my mirror is dirty. Do not judge me, it's okay. We just come straight in, and again, this is an apartment that I actually rent. It's a town apartment, a townhouse. Just go around. We have a few things, and I really want to show you that and talk about that today because it's phenomenal. We just go around our curtain, and as you can tell, it's sea-based, I guess. And then behind is our new mirror, hey, and then our new hamper, which is awesome. And I'm sorry this is full. We have to do laundry today, but I love it. Okay, and then we have our door hanger up here. So okay, now that you actually saw the bathroom, let's talk about the bathroom. Okay, so all we have here is just like a generic soft soap. We just use these. We like cheap things. So, and yeah, we're using the phone. Okay, so we have Novelle's little nightlight here. We decided that was a good touch. Again, butterflies, floral, purple. It's our favorite color. I liked it a lot. And then we just have like our toothbrushes in the one corner over here, as you can see. This I've had since I was a child. My parents got it for me, I'm not sure from where, but I really like it. It's sparkly, it's almost like purple, blue, pink. So that's good. We got this from the Dollar Tree also too. It was $1, I think. Pretty sure it was just $1. It was for Christmas stuff, but we had extra, so I went ahead and did that. And then we just have a few things up here. These I've had for a couple years. We have our blinds closed because right now it's pouring rain out there. Gotta love New York. When it's not freezing, it's raining. So and then we just have some seashells on both sides. Just nothing really perfect. These I just hung up the other day instead of them being in our cabinet because Novelle kept getting in there. So we went ahead and we did that. She's gonna go back in her bedroom. Oh, in Daddy's room. He's in there passed out. He wouldn't want me videotaping. Yeah. Okay, she's gonna help me finish this video. Okay. So going around the room, we have pads here. I've had an issue with tampons the past couple of months, so we don't use those anymore. And then we just have the ultra-sensitive baby wipes because I like my butt to be fresh, you know, as well as Novelle's, of course. We just have our scrub brush. This is just a garbage can, obviously, and a bag of garbage on the side. I gotta take that out today. Obviously a toilet, you don't need to know how to use that. Then we have our 2 bath mats. Yeah, the floor is kind of dirty. There's a few spots right there. I know, how dare I film a video when the bathroom isn't fully cleaned. It's okay. And then we just have our shower curtain with the little bulbs up here, which I really like a lot. Just go around. And then Novelle is enjoying the mirror. Who is that? Who is that? Says hello. Okay, and then, oh, this picture is crooked, but that's That's okay. It's still kind of crooked, but that's okay. We just got this from dollar store too. It was also $1, and I was actually looking for something like that for our bathroom, and that just popped out at me. And then just here's our rack. I'm hoping to take this one out for the meantime that we are renting and put something else in, and then we'll just put this one back when we leave. This I've had since I was a child. I got this with the other one. I really like this too. It was just based off of my bedroom. And then in here, we don't have any towels cleaned at the very moment. Actually, we do. They're downstairs though. Well, probably like only 2 because I didn't do all the laundry. That's Novelle's mini potty chair. No. That's just a bag that I might put all of the sheets and stuff in. That's just extra stuff. See, she's trying to get into it. We just got the toilet paper today. That's her old bath, but we're keeping it for our next child. And then we just have some Swiffer scrubbers. And then my Swiffer jet stuff. My pods. I got some extra scrubbies for the shower in the back. We got some more overnight tabs down there. And then we got our Unstoppables, and we also got we picked up some Gain ones today. I believe they say Moonlit Passion or something on them. We just got a few washcloths. This rack, the Swiffer mops won't be there for very long. This is like the baby section, and then the white towels all go up here, and then this, we just put our few color towels, and then all of our washcloths. We just separate them into. Okay, we're going to wrap this up real quick, and Novelle's playing with the door stoppers on the ground. She's like flicking them because they make that weird ding sound. So I wanted to speak about this, and as you can tell, it's a little bit off color. Here it looks more pink, of course. This is my homemade air freshener now. I was watching Tiffani from Beauty and the Beastons last night, and I was looking through all her videos because like I'm obsessed with all her videos. I love them so much, and they give me like so much inspiration to clean my entire house. So like at nighttime I'll watch them all, and I have 3 more videos until I've watched every single one of her cleaning videos, so which is awesome. I've been watching her for about 4 or 5 months now. Maybe it's been 3. It feels like forever because I love her so much. But I watched one of her Pinterest DIY hacks, and I found this one, and it was just amazing. Like, when I tell you, it's going to blow your mind. It's going to save you so much money. And thanks to Tiffani. Thank you, Tiffani, for showing this on her channel, because it was just awesome. Like, I don't even know. And I'm going to go ahead and link that down below, her Pinterest hacks. And if you're not already following her, make sure you do follow her, especially if you like motivation with cleaning and stuff, because it's going to be the best thing you've done. Like, I started out with LoveMeg, and then I went to Tiffani, but now I'm with both, and I adore them both. Like, but Tiffani lately has been my number 1. So, I think it's mainly because I've seen Megan so much already, but, I mean, I've seen all of her videos, so. But anyway, she used something completely different, well, not 100% different, just a different color and different smell. But I went ahead and I used these. I got these the beginning of January, and here it is February 3rd or 4th. Maybe it's the 5th, I don't know. I thought today was Thursday, but it's actually Wednesday. I think it's February 5th or 6th. Anyway, I got these in-wash scent boosters in the spring print-ups, and as you can tell, if you look at the bottom, there's like barely any left. Well, last night I took a little bit of a capful, like just enough to fill the bottom of the cap, and I poured them in this bottle, and I took some lukewarm water. It was more warm than anything, and I filled it up, and I shook it, and like, I mean, it smells like wonderful. Like, it really does. And it's safe. I sprayed it on the linens. I sprayed in our bedroom. I sprayed Novelle stuffed animals. Like, it smells really, really good. But I wouldn't use a lot unless you want like a really heavy scent, because I used just a minimal amount, and it's still pretty strong, but it smells wonderful. And then we got the Gain Moonlit ones today at Walmart, and I'm hoping that they smell really good. Like, they smell good through the package, but I'm going to start using them after I use these, unless I just go vice versa, because these ones I use so much in the wash that they're like, because I'm still breastfeeding, it's starting to make my chest itch like really bad, and I feel like it's drying me up a little bit. I'm not 100% sure if that's what is going on, but it's been feeling like it lately. So I'm not exactly sure, but I figured that we could lay off these a little bit and go to something else that's more like, smells more pure and more clean than more potentially perfumey, I guess. Potentially potent, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, but that is my bathroom tour, and I hope you guys were excited to see that as I was, because I was beyond, like, I was set to show you guys for the longest time. And hopefully I get this video up today or tomorrow, because it's been almost a week since I've uploaded a video. So thank you so much for watching, And yeah, don't forget to check out Tiffani. And if you want also, just check out LoveMeg because she's pretty cool too. And she's actually moving 2 states away from where she actually is right now. So I recommend them both. And yeah, I guess that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And make sure you comment on all my videos and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks, guys. Bye.